topic is division of decimals. As we have done earlier in our previous video, multiplication of decimals. In multiplication we have done three cases: multiplication of decimal by whole number, multiplication of decimal by decimal number, and multiplication of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Similarly, we will do division of decimals in three cases. First case is division of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Now let's see some examples. 72.8 divided by 10. Now how many zeros? जब भी आपको ये इस तरह से दिया होगा, divide by 10, 100, 1000, any digit, any number is given to you, you have to write the same number here. We will write 7, 2, 8 as it is. Yes. Now how many zeros are there? 1 0 is there. We will shift this to one digit to the left side. अब हम डेसिमल यहाँ पे था ना, अब हम डेसिमल को एक डिजिट लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट कर देंगे. इट विल बिकम 7.28. In multiplication we were shifting to the right side, but in division we will shift it to the left side. Always remember, हम हमेशा डेसिमल को लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट करते हैं उतने डिजिट्स जितने जीरो से हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. Now next is 72.8 divided by 100. Now how many zeros are there? पहले तो हम ये वाला नंबर as it is लिख देंगे 7, 2, 8. Yes. Now how many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. तो हम decimal is here. We will shift it to 2 digits to the left side. It will come as 0.728. Yes. Now 72.8 divided by 1000. Now how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. अब 3 zeros हम हमें यहाँ पे डेसिमल है, we will write this number as it is. अब ये वाला डेसिमल we will shift to 3 decimal places to the left side. 1, 2. पर हमारे पास तो सिर्फ 2 digits हैं. अब 3 कैसे बनाएंगे इसको? तो we will put 1 0 here. So decimal will be 0.0728. Now next case is division of decimal number by a whole number. One is given to you in decimal form, other is given you in a form of whole number. अब हमने इस decimal number को whole number की form से divide करना है. First of all, what is this? This is dividend. इसको कहते हैं dividend and this is divisor. Dividend we will put inside 0.48 divided by 2. इसको 2 से divide करना है. Now see 0 2 के टेबल में नहीं आता, so you will write as it is. इसको हम as it is लिख देंगे 0 0. Now decimal is there. इस डेसिमल को हम नीचे पुट और नहीं करेंगे, we will put in the quotient. Quotient में पुट कर दिया. Now we will bring this 4 down. 2 के टेबल में 4, it is coming at 2. So 0. Now we will bring 8 down. 2 के टेबल में 8 is coming at 4. So answer is 0.24. Similarly, see one more part. 12.8 divided by 8. Yes, this is dividend, this is divisor. Now we have to find quotient and remainder. So firstly we will see 1. 1 is coming in the table of 8. This is whole number part. This is decimal number part. पहले हम whole number part को देख लेते हैं. 1 is not coming. जैसे simply आप 12 को 8 से divide करते हो वैसे करेंगे. So near to 12 it is 8 1 the 8. So 12 में से 8 गए तो 4. Now we will not put this decimal down, rather we will put it in the quotient. Now we will bring this 8 down. 8 6 the 48. So our answer is 1.6. Now let's see some more examples. 5.64 divided by 6. This is dividend, this is divisor. So we will find the quotient. 5.64 divided by 6. Now you can see that 5 is smaller than 6. 5 तो 6 के टेबल में नहीं आता, so we will write 0 here and 0 here. Yes, 5 minus 0, 5. Now this decimal we will not put here down, we will put it in the quotient. Now we will bring this 6 down. 56 के nearer, it is 6 9 the 54. 6 minus 4, 2. We will bring this 4 down. 6 for the 24. So the quotient is 0.94. Now let's see one more example. 7.344 divided by 12. Now you can see that 7 is smaller than 12, so it is not coming. So we will write a 0. Here also 0. We will bring it down. Now this decimal we will not bring here. Rather we will put it in the quotient. Now 73. Near to 73 it is 12. 6 the 72. 0.6. 3 minus 2 1. We will bring this 4 down. 12 near to 14 it is 12 on the 12. 2. We will bring this 4 down. It will come as 24. So the answer is 0.612. Now let's see some fill-ups. Decimals, division of decimals in the form of some fill-ups. Now you can see 72.6 divided by dash equal to 7.26. अब डेसिमल कहाँ पे था? 72 के बाद, लेकिन अब कहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो गया? 7 के बाद. कितने डिजिट्स लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट हुआ? 1 digit. It means 10. So you have to divide it by 10. Now next is 746.8 divided by 7.468. अब यहाँ पे डेसिमल था, कितने डिजिट्स लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट हो रहा है? 2 digits. So it means divided by 100. Yes. Now 9.06. अब यहाँ से कहाँ शिफ्ट हो रहा है? 0.09. 2 digits शिफ्ट हो रहा है. You can see here 9 से पहले भी एक 0 है. 2 digits लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट हो रहा है. So it means you have to divide it by 100. Now 5.29. अब 5 पॉइंट है, ये डेसिमल हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आगे शिफ्ट हो गया? एक ही डिजिट हो रहा है, बिकॉज 5 से पहले ये डेसिमल. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 10. नाउ लास्ट पार्ट इज 0.34 डिवाइडेड बाय डैश इक्वल टू 0.034. अब 0.34 है और यहाँ पे 0.034 है. कितने डिजिट्स आगे शिफ्ट हो गया? 1 digit. सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 10.